this building, the idea behind this building must also reach the corners of our country. That is the duty of this building. That it does not just remain a building, that the ideas that are inside this building reach the corners of our country. Reach Tamil Nadu, Kashmir, Northeast, Gujarat, Andaman, Lakshadweep, every corner of our country. This idea has to be propagated from this building. So I'd also finally like to thank all the people who've been responsible for giving us this building. The people Venugopalji mentioned, Murli Deora, Motilal Vora ji, who we all miss, Ahmed Patel ji, the others who have helped with the completion, Manish Chatra ji, Venugopal ji, Priyanka. I'd like to thank all of you. You have done a tremendous service to the Congress party. But it is important that now we take the ideas from this building and, like leaders of the Congress have done in the past, we spread the ideas to the rest of the soil of this country.